Slipping clutch. Causes, symptoms, and solution. Slipping clutches can be a real problem with older cars and manual transmissions, so it's important to take care of your car on a regular basis. A slipping clutch occurs when the clutch pedal needs to be depressed slightly to disengage the engine, but this may not always be necessary. Slipping clutches are more frequently encountered in situations such as congested traffic, vehicles frequently driven by younger individuals, high-performance vehicles, and those with enhanced engine power. Welcome to our video on slipping clutch, causes, symptoms, and solutions. If you've ever encountered issues with your vehicle's clutch, you're in the right place. We'll dive into what causes clutch slippage, how to spot the symptoms, and most importantly, how to fix it. Let's get started. What causes a slipping clutch? Clutch slipping can result from various factors, including the vehicle's age, lack of maintenance, aggressive driving habits, and low fluid levels in the clutch hydraulic system. While clutch plate wear and tear is a primary contributor to slipping, it's essential to consider other components like the pressure plate and flywheel. Factors such as frequent stop-and-go traffic and heavy driving can accelerate clutch wear. Maintaining proper fluid levels in the clutch master cylinder is crucial to extend the clutch's lifespan. If the clutch plate is excessively worn, replacement may be necessary. Additionally, a worn clutch release bearing, issues with the clutch fork, or problems in the linkage can also lead to slipping. In some older vehicles, a broken cable may cause slipping, but many modern cars use hydraulic clutch systems instead. Consulting a mechanic with expertise in clutch and gearbox operations is advisable to diagnose and address the specific cause of clutch slipping accurately. Before we explore further, do us a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button and stay connected for more automotive insights. Now, let's continue. Symptoms of a slipping clutch. Grinding noises can be heard from the gearbox. Difficulty changing gears when applying or releasing the clutch. When traveling forward or changing gear, the vehicle suddenly judders, jerks, or stutters. When the gear is released, the rate of revolutions per minute, RPM, when accelerating is significantly higher than normal. Your hand should feel intense vibrations emanating from the gearbox if it is placed on the gear stick. A strong, burning odor emanated from the gearbox. There should be some resistance when you press down on the clutch pedal, but it seems soft and spongy when you do. The clutch pedal may become stuck or refuse to return to its initial position as soon as the vehicle begins to move. If you have seen any of the aforementioned symptoms, you should know this is what a slipping clutch feels like, and you should take your vehicle to a reputable neighborhood garage right away or get in touch with a mobile technician. How to address a slipping clutch. To address a slipping clutch, it's advisable to drive carefully and have your clutch examined regularly, typically every 60,000 miles, to catch potential issues early. While most slipping clutches may eventually require repair or replacement, changing driving habits, such as avoiding aggressive clutch use, can help extend its lifespan. Consulting a qualified mechanic for a thorough diagnosis is essential. They can provide expert guidance on the best course of action, which may include clutch repair or replacement. While these services may seem costly, investing in clutch maintenance is a wise choice to ensure your vehicle's reliability and safety on the road. In conclusion, this video has provided an overview of the causes, signs, and solutions for slipping clutches. With this knowledge, drivers can confidently address clutch issues and avoid driving with them. If you find this video useful, please recommend it to your friends, subscribe to our channel for more automotive advice, and leave us feedback so we can continue to improve. Thank you for watching.